What's up, everybody? It is Kevin, and I am back with another video. In fact, my daughter's Mazda 3 had the low tire pressure gauge pop up, and I just aired all 4 tires. They were all down about 32 pounds to 32 psi, and it's calling for 36. So now that we have that done, we're actually going to reset the gauge, and we're going to show you how it's done. Super short video, but just something simple in case there's folks out there trying to figure out how to reset that tire pressure monitoring in their Mazda 3. All right, let's check it out. All right, so as you can see, we've got our sensor on down here in the bottom right. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna come over here to the monitoring. We're gonna hit that and hold it. And we get a beep. And voila, it's gone, it's over. Yeah, so there you have it. It's literally that simple to reset your tire pressure monitoring system on your Mazda 3. This is a 2018, and yeah, just a simple little video for anybody out there who is looking to actually reset that, because sometimes it's kind of finicky. And we were actually, why'd you honk that at me? So we were actually going through all of the settings in the panel, and we couldn't find it, and it was just as simple as holding that button down for 2 to 3 seconds, and then boom, it was over. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you subscribe. This is one of our channels here that I really focus on my cars and family stuff, and then I have my other channel which is focused on science. So if you like this kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button, smash it if you're into it, hit the notification bell so you know when new videos are on, and most importantly, we'll see you in the next video. All right, take care, guys. Bye.